How to pair a replacement Beats Solo bud. Step 1. Open your device and go to Settings. Step 2. Select Bluetooth and then click the eye icon next to your device name. Step 3. Click Forget this device and then tap Forget device again. Step 4. Place the new Solo Bud into your case. Step 5. Plug in your device for 30 minutes. Step 6. Remove the charger and open the lid. Step 7. Go back to Bluetooth and press and hold the B button on both buds until a tone plays 3 times. Step 7. A pop-up animation will appear. Press connect and you're all set. If you're still having issues, keep watching. If you're trying to connect your set but a pop-up animation doesn't appear and a tone plays continuously, plug in your set for another 30 minutes and repeat steps 1 through 7. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.